Every single day, billion-dollar companies are brought to their knees by cyber attacks. But it's not just corporations, it's us. Imagine you log into your bank account tomorrow and your entire life savings is gone. Worst yet, the bank has no record of who took it, where it went, or how it happened. This scenario is exactly why cybersecurity exists. It is the practice of defending our digital trust and our data from malicious attacks. But how do we actually measure if that bank is secure? We can't just guess. Information security teams use a foundational model to build their defenses. It is called the CIA Triad. The C stands for confidentiality. This means only authorized individuals can view specific data. It ensures sensitive information is not exposed to unauthorized users. Think about your internet banking. You expect that your account balance, statements, and transactions are only visible to you. If someone is able to intercept and view this data, confidentiality is broken. When you type your credentials into the login page of your bank, they are protected using encryption as they travel across the internet. So even if someone in the middle intercepts it, they can't figure out what the credentials actually are. Next is integrity. This means making sure the data has not been altered, tampered with, or modified improperly. Using that same banking example, when you send 10,000 rupees to your friend, your account balance is reduced by 10,000. Your friend's account receives the amount and that's it. But what if integrity is broken? What if some attacker intercepts it and changes the value from 10,000 to 1 lakh? To secure this, the bank uses various techniques like digital signatures and transaction verification to ensure the transaction is valid and has not been modified. Finally, we have availability. In short, the system should be accessible. The banking service should be available when users actually need it. You should be able to log into it anytime, transfer money, and check your balance. If the bank's website crashes due to heavy traffic or a cyber attack, availability is affected. To ensure this doesn't happen, banks maintain backup servers, load balancing, DDoS protection, and other alternatives. So to summarize, confidentiality means only authorized people see the data. Integrity means the data cannot be changed. And availability means the system stay accessible. Before this video, you might have thought of cybersecurity as just installing antivirus software or changing your passwords. But now, you have the exact same foundational mindset that global security teams uses. If you're building a system, you can ask yourself 3 simple questions. Can anyone steal this? Can anyone change this? Or will it stay available if attacked? Once you master the CIA Triad, you are ready to understand the massive, complex frameworks that large organizations use to protect entire networks, like the NIST cybersecurity framework or the CIS controls, which we will cover later on this channel. But to defend these systems, we need to know exactly who is trying to break into them. In the next video, we are looking at the different type of hackers. Hit subscribe to secure your feed and stay updated with the cybersecurity journey. And I'll see you in the next one.